Welcome to Zentric AI. Today, I want to challenge a common misconception about artificial intelligence in the workplace. The real threat to job satisfaction isn't AI. It's the soul-crushing repetition that's been slowly killing workplace engagement for decades. Let me explain why AI isn't here to replace human workers, but to rescue them from tasks that were never worthy of human intelligence in the first place. Every morning, millions of workers sit down to perform the same tasks they did yesterday, and the day before, and the day before that. They answer the same questions, fill out the same forms, schedule the same appointments, and process the same requests. By lunch, they're mentally exhausted. By evening, they're questioning their career choices. Research consistently shows that repetitive tasks don't just bore employees, they actively damage mental health and job satisfaction. Workers performing monotonous duties experience higher rates of burnout, increased mental fatigue, and significantly lower engagement scores. The psychological impact goes deeper than simple boredom. Repetitive work creates what researchers call learned helplessness, a state where employees feel powerless to change their circumstances and gradually lose motivation to excel or innovate. Consider the healthcare worker who spends 60% of their day on phone calls for routine appointment scheduling, or the office manager who manually processes the same insurance verification requests week after week. These aren't just inefficient processes, they're talent-wasting machines that prevent skilled professionals from doing what they do best. The modern workplace faces an engagement crisis that has little to do with compensation or benefits and everything to do with how we use human intelligence. When we ask creative, analytical minds to perform repetitive, rule-based tasks, we create a fundamental mismatch between human potential and daily reality. This is where artificial intelligence reveals its true purpose, not as a replacement for human workers, but as a liberation technology that frees people from tasks that were never worthy of human intelligence. When AI handles routine appointment scheduling, human staff can focus on complex patient care coordination. When voice agents manage repetitive customer inquiries, human representatives can tackle challenging problem-solving cases. When automation processes standard data entry, human analysts can focus on interpreting insights and making strategic decisions. Research from Stanford confirms this perspective. Workers want AI to relieve them of low-value or tedious tasks, rather than replace them entirely. The goal isn't to eliminate human jobs, it's to eliminate the parts of jobs that eliminate human potential. Organizations that successfully implement AI to handle repetitive tasks often discover something remarkable. Their employees become more creative, more engaged, and more valuable than ever before. When a medical practice implements an AI voice agent to handle routine calls, something interesting happens. The front desk staff, freed from answering the same scheduling questions hundreds of times per day, suddenly have time to focus on patient experience improvements, workflow optimization, and complex problem-solving. As AI takes over repetitive functions, the most valuable human skills are shifting toward areas where human intelligence truly shines. Complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and creative innovation. The most successful professionals and organizations are those that can distinguish between being busy and being valuable, and are willing to let AI handle the busy work so humans can focus on creating real value. The key to successful AI implementation isn't identifying what AI can do. It's identifying what humans shouldn't have to do. Which tasks follow the same pattern every time? What activities drain your energy without engaging your creativity? Which processes could run 24/7 if they didn't require human intervention? These are your automation opportunities, not threats to your job, but chances to reclaim your professional potential. Ready to identify which repetitive tasks are holding back your team's potential? At Zentric AI, our solutions handle the routine work so your people can focus on what humans do best. Visit our website to book a consultation and discover your path from repetition to innovation. Thanks for watching, and remember, repetition has been the silent job killer for too long. It's time to let AI set you free to do the work you were actually meant to do.